Ndeewonu ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my people, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be taking the third part of the lesson on parts of the human body. If you haven't seen the first two parts, I'll be including the link in the description box below. Ka anyị bido. Buttocks, ike, ike. Buttocks, ike. Leg, ụkwụ, ụkwụ. Leg, ụkwụ. Now, in our previous lesson, in our first lesson, we had talked about the difference or the similarities between ear and cheek, how they look almost similar, right? So the same thing applies here when you're talking about leg, ụkwụ, and hip, ụkwụ. We learned hip in our previous lesson. So hip and leg can sometimes be mistaken, right? But the difference is one does not have dots under the U, whereas the other has dots under the U. So uku without the dots is hip, but oko is leg. Okay, so you also have to be careful while writing it. All right, so moving on. Thigh. Apata oko. Apata oko. Thigh. Apata oko. Now, a lot of natives will just call thigh apata. Okay, so oftentimes when you hear apata, it's referring to thigh. But when you want to talk about the arm, we say apataka. That is always when you have to be specific, okay? But for thigh, you can say apatoko or you can just say apata. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Knee. Ikpere. Ikpere. Knee. Ikpere. Knee pit. Mpịaji ụkwụ. Mpịaji ụkwụ. Knee pit. Mpịaji ụkwụ. Shin. Ịgọlọ. Ịgọlọ. Shin. Ịgọlọ. Calf. Mbukwu ọkpa. Mbukwu ọkpa. Calf. Mbukwu ọkpa. Ankle. Nkwonkwo ụkwụ. Nkwonkwo ụkwụ. Ankle. Nkwonkwo ụkwụ. Heel. Ikere ụkwụ. Ikere ụkwụ. Heel. Ikere ụkwụ. Foot. Ụkwụ. Ụkwụ. Foot. Ụkwụ. Toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Toenail. Mbọ ụkwụ. Mbọ ụkwụ. Toenail. Mbọ ụkwụ. Sole. Ọbụ ụkwụ. Ọbụ ụkwụ. Sole. Ọbụ ụkwụ. Ọ dị mma. Anyị ga-akwụsị ebe a taa. We'll stop here for today. Ịgbalịala. Well done. Now, Which of the parts of the body learned today will be easiest for you to remember, and which one will be the most difficult? Let me know in the comments section. If you haven't already done so, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video, and don't forget to practice, practice, practice. Code.